So we're here. What is today's date? The 29th? I don't even know. The 19th of May. Red Eagle gravel grinder. It's not a race, just like Road Apple.
Once again, I want to thank all of our sponsors.
But 43 miles. It's kind of toasty already this morning. But yeah, a lot of people here.
Including our elite sponsors. We've got Case Comprehensive Center. Be sure to
helps out with cancer research. So yeah, we'll see. We're gonna go out and just have fun and not race, which is redundant.
Silver sponsors are
remember, soft rollout, soft. We're going left in 427 feet. Yeah. I'm sure where my dresser went. See, this is where I make up time because thank God for inertia.
Yeah, keep looking for a head.
All right. This is where Sir Isaac Newton is my friend. It's hot. I'm not feeling this at all. I'm only 14 miles in of 43. I feel like garbage. Blech. But I'm gonna keep going. Well, 20 miles in, find myself by my lonesome, some people behind me catching up, and into the gravel. Okay, little proper double track. Stopped, got some water in the other bottle again, some pickle juice. Downhill, grab. All right. People. So yesterday, as I go through all this pollen, was the Red Eagle gravel grinder out in Geneva, Ohio, which is a kind of a charity ride for cancer. And that's exactly what it is. It's a ride, not a race. But it is timed, and they write down your number as you go through. And it's 43 miles. There's a 23 mile, and then there's a 12-mile family race. Well, first decent race length ride of the summer, I would say, since it's warm, and decided to do it yesterday. Started off with my buddy Chris, probably at too high of a pace, too fast of a pace, and got out, but prepared. Had just on a cotton t-shirt and my bibs and a pair of lined shorts over the bibs, and yeah, started out going good. Had 2 bottles of water with me and some electrolyte mix, and did pretty well. Probably went out too fast, like I said. I averaged 15.3 miles an hour through 36 miles. Stopped at both little rest areas, got food and got some pickle juice in me, and had some scratch mix in my bottles, and even got some Hammer Nutrition hydration. And was almost done. I was at 36.5 miles, had 6 more miles to go, and I noticed that I had stopped sweating and had goosebumps. And I know from my training, from coaching, that that's not good. Started to lose all my energy, so I decided to call the race for myself at 36 miles. I only had 6 more to go, and recognized the fact that I was starting to get heat exhaustion which is not a very good thing. Now people say, well, you're hydrating. Well, yeah. Problem is, I was hydrated, my body just wasn't regulating heat. And I kind of think it's something to do with the new medicine I'm on that is supposed to actually help me lose weight by exercising. Yeah, and it almost killed me. So yeah, I called the SAG crew. I got under a tree. I started cooling myself down, and I just quit the race. I think if I would have kept going, probably could have done some damage to myself, because I wasn't cooling down at all. But yeah.